Remember the real estate market frenzy just a few years ago? Homes were selling like hotcakes, often way above asking price. But today, the market has changed. Overpricing your home now can lead to missed opportunities, prolonged market time, and lots of frustration. Hi, I'm Zola, Darius's assistant. Let's dive right into it. It's tempting to aim high, hoping for a big payday. However, today's buyers are savvy and informed. They can easily spot an overpriced home, which can deter them from making an offer. Buyers today have access to more information than ever before. They know what comparable homes are selling for and won't hesitate to skip overpriced listings. Overpriced homes tend to sit on the market longer, raising red flags for potential buyers. This can lead to a perception that something is wrong with the property. Homes that linger on the market lose their appeal. Buyers start to wonder why no one else has snatched it up, leading to decreased interest. Overpricing can lead to lower final sale prices. When a home sits too long, sellers often have to reduce the price, many times below market value. More price cuts often follow, reducing momentum and your leverage in negotiations. Deals are more likely to collapse after inspections or appraisals. Buyers will turn to similar houses with lower price tags. This can result in a lower final sale price than if you had priced it right from the start. Missed opportunities for your next home purchase can arise if your current home doesn't sell quickly. This can delay your plans and cost you emotionally and financially. Pricing slightly below market may spark more interest. This strategy can attract multiple offers, creating competition and potentially driving up the final sale price. By pricing competitively, you increase the chances of a quick sale, allowing you to move forward with your next home purchase without delay. So let's talk about some ways to improve your chances for a smooth and successful sale. Declutter and depersonalize your home to make it more appealing to buyers. A clean, neutral space allows them to envision themselves living there. Ensure repairs and touch-ups are done before listing. A well-maintained home gives buyers confidence in their purchase decision. Move-in ready homes are in high demand. Buyers prefer properties that require minimal work, allowing them to settle in quickly. Staging can add value and speed up sales. A professionally staged home highlights its best features and can lead to a faster, more profitable sale. Work with an experienced agent for a complete home evaluation and a competitive market analysis. They can provide insights into local trends and help you set the right price, especially if they have previously worked in this type of market. Recap: overpricing can lead to longer market times and lower sale prices. Pricing right from the start attracts buyers and can result in a quicker, more profitable sale. By pricing your home competitively and preparing it well, you'll increase your chances of a successful sale and move forward with your next home purchase. So, do you need help in preparing your home for sale? Reach out today for a market analysis and home evaluation, and let's start your journey together towards a successful sale. Proper planning can make your home sale a great success and help lead you on the path to your next life adventure. Thanks for watching. Feel free to hit like and subscribe if you like this content, and be sure to make it a wonderful day.